Module 3, Lesson 14's objective is to model numbers with more than 9 ones or 9 tens, and write in expanded, unit, standard, and word forms. On this homework assignment, Problem 1 says to whisper talk the numbers and words as you fill in the blanks. It might be helpful if students drew a place value chart in order to solve this problem. Label the columns correctly. First ones, then tens, then hundreds. Now place the number 16 in the appropriate columns. As can be seen by looking at the place value chart, there is one group of tens in the number 16 and 6 ones. For the next part of the problem, it says 18 equals to or is the same as blank ones. This does not mean how many ones are in the number 18. This means if you move all of the tens into the ones column, how many ones would you have? If I go ahead and write the number in the place value chart, 18, and I move this group of tens all the way over into the ones column, now I will have 18 ones. The same technique can be used when writing problem B, 217. After looking at the chart, I can see that there are two groups of 100, one group of tens, and 7 groups of 1. Now, if I were to take out the tens column and move them all over to the ones place, then I would still have two groups of 100, but I would have 17 ones instead of a group of 10 and 7 ones. Let's try it one more time. Looking at problem C, I can go ahead and write that in the chart here. I see that there are 3 in the hundreds, 2 tens, and 0 ones. But now we're going to move all of the hundreds into the tens place. So instead of having 2 tens, we now have 32 tens and 0 ones. The same strategy can be used to solve problems D through H. Problem 2 says write down how you skip count by 10 from 350 to 240. You might use place value discs, number lines, bundles, or numbers. For this problem, I'm going to choose to use numbers. I will start with the number 350 and count backwards by 10. 340, 330, 320, 310, 300, 290, 280, 270, and you finish the rest.